G'day guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to show you our first trip out to Somerset Dam. We've loaded up the boat and the trusty nav. There is 5 of us heading out camping. I don't think we could have fit any more stuff in. Let's go. Righto, we've arrived at the NRMA Lake Somerset Holiday Park. We scored ourselves an awesome powered site right on the lakeside that gave us access straight down to the water where we could keep the boat moored. This is our camp setup. As you can see, the camping spots are way big enough to fit whatever you need. The kids have got some swags, we've got a marquee set up, we've got our tent. There's still enough length in the site to have the ute and the trailer. There is 3 boat ramps in the park itself, which made it easy to launch and retrieve the boat, and the ramps are quite steep, so it was easy to get the boat back on the trailer. How's the Serenity? They do allow you to have fire pits here at this holiday park. They just need to be elevated and have a tray underneath or be on legs. Just remember to bring your own firewood. So happy with our little Caribbean, able to do whatever we need, bit of fishing. Bit of tubing. And the night sky, well, this speaks for itself really. Fishing was a bit of a letdown really. We tried all different lures, different areas, different depths, different types of bait. Over the 5 days we only caught 7 spangled perch, so I had bigger hopes.
Well done, Lucian.
Overall, it was a great few days away. Kids were awesome, there was plenty to do, immaculate weather, awesome sky at night. What more do you want? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.